Good morning students. In the previous video we have completed the concept that is related to galvanic cell or that is galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. So these are the two types of electrochemical cell. One is electrolytic and second one is galvanic cell. Now we will proceed in details regarding the electrolytic cell. So what is electrolytic cell? The reaction which occurs in electrolytic cell is electrolysis. So now we are going to study the concept of electrolysis reaction with example. So electrolysis for molten NaCl. Here is the word is there, electrolysis. What is electrolysis? It is the reaction in which the ionic compounds are broken down by the passage of electricity. So when electricity is passed through the molten solution or aqueous solution of an electrolyte, then it can ionic compound gets broken into their ionic compounds. Then this is called as the electrolysis process, in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. A simple way we can say electrolysis is the process in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. That example is electrolysis of molten NaCl. Generally the question is define electrolysis and explain the concept of electrolysis for molten NaCl. Now how to proceed for the answer? First one is construction. After construction, cell reaction at anode, cell reaction at cathode, or net cell reaction, and the results of electrolysis. In this way we are going to proceed for the electrolysis for molten NaCl. So first part is construction of a cell. First one, construction. Construction of electrolytic cell. How it is constructed? The electrolytic cell consists of a container containing fused electrolyte or molten electrolyte, fused NaCl as a electrolyte. So it consists of a container containing fused NaCl or molten NaCl. Two graphite rods, see these are the two graphite rods, are immersed into the electrolyte solution. Two graphite rods are immersed into the electrolyte solution. Graphite rods. The electrode which is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Here is the source of electricity, direct source of electricity, that is battery. Electrode, graphite electrode connected to positive terminal of the battery, it acts as an anode where oxidation half reaction takes place. Oxidation half reaction occurs. While the graphite electrode connected to negative terminal of the battery, it acts as a cathode where reduction half reaction occurs. Reduction half reaction takes place. So anode is connected to positive terminal, so anode is positive while cathode is here. Cathode is negative where reduction took place. So this is the construction of a cell. Now second part is cell reactions. Cell reactions. Now this electrolyte NaCl, it contains the ions Na plus ion and Cl minus ions. Now when electric current is passed through this one electrolyte solution, Na plus ion will move towards the cathode and it gains the electron. So it undergoes reduction reaction by gain of electron, while Cl minus ion will move towards the anode and it loses that electron and it is converted to Cl. So which reactions occurs? First one, reaction at anode. At anode, reaction is oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction which occurs at anode. Which one is oxidation? 2Cl minus. It loses the 2 electron. When it loses the 2 electron, it is converted to Cl, chlorine atoms. This is the primary state. In primary state, we are getting Cl plus Cl. And in second state, here, this Cl and Cl combine to form Cl2 molecule. Cl2 molecule is formed. This one is secondary state. Secondary state. So these are the, what about the reaction, overall reaction? reaction at anode. Addition of these two. See, Cl gets cancelled, product and reactant side. So what we are getting? 2Cl minus gives Cl2 with loss of 2 electrons. So this one is the oxidation reaction which occurs at anode. Second, reaction at cathode. Reaction which takes place at cathode. Which reaction occurs at cathode? Reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. Which undergoes reduction? Na plus ion. These electrons are moving from anode towards the cathode. From this cathode, the electrons are gained by the Na plus ion. So, Na plus ion, for understanding very balanced, 2 Na plus ion gains the 2 electron and it is converted to silvery white sodium metal. So, silvery white sodium metal is obtained at the cathode. So, this is the product which the reaction which occurs at the cathode, called as a reduction reaction. Now, what is the overall reaction? Overall reaction is the addition of oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. If we add these two, first and second, what we are getting, I'll write over here, that is the reaction, overall reaction or net cell reaction. Overall reaction. Which one is the, what about the overall reaction? This reaction plus reaction at cathode plus reaction at anode. So, 2Cl minus gives Cl2 with loss of 2 electron. And second is 2Na plus gains this 2 electron and it is converted to silvery white sodium metal. So, addition of these two called as a redox reaction. If we add 2 electron gets cancelled. So, what is remain? 2Na plus and 2Cl minus. 2Na plus 2Cl minus gives, what it gives? 2Na plus Cl2. So, this is called as a net cell reaction, called as a redox reaction. This reaction is also called as a redox reaction, in which one electrode undergoes oxidation and second electrode undergoes the reduction. So, this is about the electrolysis of molten NaCl. Is it clear? Now, second example again we will continue. Results of electrolysis. That part is remain. So, what is the result for electrolysis? If you observe at anode, which gas is evolved? Chlorine. So, this is the result of electrolysis. Chlorine gas is obtained at anode, while silvery white sodium metal is obtained at cathode. So, this is about the result of electrolysis. So, next point is result of electrolysis. Result of electrolysis. May I repeat what is the 2 points in results of electrolysis? The chlorine gas is obtained at anode, while silvery white sodium metal is obtained at the cathode. So, these are the results for electrolysis of molten NaCl. Now, second example again we will consider for the electrolysis concept. Now, instead of electrolysis of molten NaCl, now we will discuss the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. So, I will write here, instead of molten, that is male form or fused form, now we are using the aqueous NaCl. NaCl is dissolved in water, that is form of aqueous solution of NaCl. First point is construction of cell, it is same. May I repeat what is the same? It consists of a container containing aqueous NaCl as a electrolyte. See the change. Here aqueous NaCl as a electrolyte. Two graphite electrodes are immersed into the electrolytic solution. Electrode connected to positive terminal of the battery is called as an anode, where oxidation half reaction took place. Electrode connected to the negative terminal is called as a cathode, where reduction reaction occurs. So, all the parts are same, only difference is here we are using the solution as a aqueous NaCl. This one is the source of electricity called as a battery. So, this is the construction for aqueous electrolysis for aqueous NaCl. Cell reactions. So, no doubt aqueous NaCl contains Na plus ion in aqueous medium and Cl minus ions in aqueous medium. So Na plus ion is surrounded by water molecule. Similarly, Cl minus ions are also surrounded by the water molecule. Both undergoes oxidation reaction or reduction half reaction. So at anode, oxidation half reaction took place. Which one? Chlorine. 2Cl minus loses the 2 electron, forms chlorine atom, primary state. This Cl and Cl forms Cl2 gas, that is secondary state. Addition of these two will be 2Cl minus. After loss of 2 electron, it is converted to Cl2. That is the reaction at anode. Along with this one, again Cl minus ions are surrounded by water molecule. So water molecule also undergoes the oxidation reaction. See, so this one is the A reaction. B reaction is twice of H2O. Water molecule, it undergoes oxidation. O2 is evolved. Plus, what is remaining if O2 is given out? 2H2, that is 4H plus. 4H plus with loss of 2 electron. So this is the one more reaction which occurs at anode. So these two reactions occurs at anode. So along with chlorine gas, oxygen gas is also obtained at the anode. Now reaction at cathode, reduction reaction. Na plus aqueous anion gains the electron. So and undergoes reduction reaction. So 2Na plus 2 electron gives twice Na. In addition to that, Na plus ion is also surrounded by aqueous medium. So water also undergoes reduction. Twice of H2O gains the 2 electron and it is converted to, see here it is converted to H2, hydrogen evolved, plus 2 of OH minus, 2 hydroxyl ions. So this is the reduction reaction which occurs at cathode. Along with silvery white metal, hydrogen gas is also evolved at the cathode. So these are the cell reactions in case of the aqueous NaCl, electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Now oral reaction will be, see, what about the oral reaction? If you have the oral reaction, then first one is 2Cl minus gives Cl2 plus 2 electron, that is the reaction at anode. And for cathode we will consider the hydrogen H2, water molecule reaction, 2H2, second reaction. Now second one will be 2H2O gains the 2 electron and it is converted to H2 gas plus 2OH minus. So addition of these two, we will get the overall reaction. 2 electron gets cancelled. So what is remain? 2Cl minus plus 2H2O gives Cl2 plus H2 plus 2OH minus. So this is called as a net cell reaction or oral reaction. Now result of electrolysis. Result of electrolysis. So what is the result of electrolysis? If you observe here at anode, along with chlorine gas, oxygen gas is also evolved. And here in cathode, along with silvery white metal, sodium metal, hydrogen gas is also obtained. So these are the two results of the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. So this is the concept related to electrolysis and electrolysis for molten NaCl or electrolysis for aqueous NaCl. So how to proceed? Construction, cell reactions or oral cell reaction and results for the electrolysis.